words that begin with the T sound and words that end with the T sound. I have with me some letters. We are going to make words that begin with the T sound. Now, here we have T, I, and P. We're going to make the letter sounds and we are going to make some words today. T, T, T. T, T, T. E, E, E. P, P, P. Tip. We have the word tip. The word tip. Now, I am going to remove the P and add N. We are going to remove the P and we added N. Let us see which word we get by making these letter sounds. T, T, T. E, E, E. We have the word tin. We have the word tin. Now, we are going to remove the I and the N and we are going to put U and B. Which word is this? Let us make the letter sounds. T, T, T. O, O, O. B, B, B. We have the word tub. We have the word tub. Now, we are going to remove this and we are going to put E and N. We are going to get E and N. Now let us see which word this is. T, T, T. E, E, E. We have the word 10. We have the word 10. We can remove this letter and use this letter O. Let us make the letter sounds and join them up. T, T, T. O, O, O. Ton. Ton. We have the word ton. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to have the words that has the final T sound. Now, we are going to just switch around these letters and we have T at the end, N at the beginning, and O in the middle. Let us make the letter sounds now. O, O, O. T, T, T. This word is not. This word is not. Now, we are going to use some other letters. We are going to use E. We're going to put E in the middle. Let us see which word this is. We're going to make the letter sounds. Come with me. Let's make the letter sounds. N. E, E, E. T, T, T. E, T. Now, this activity is a lot of fun. I want you to do the activity and leave a comment below to tell me how it was for you. You are going to find all the pictures you can of things that begin with the letter T, and then you are going to print that picture and use the Play-Doh to make letter T and put your letter T in the middle. You are going to make your capital letter T and your common letter T. Leave a comment below and let me know how this activity was for you. It's time to count the letters that are in each word. Let us count them. The first word is Taylor. How many letters are in the word Taylor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. word today. Let us count how many letters are in the word time. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 letters in the word time. Let us count the amount of letters in the word tea. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letters in the word tea. Let us count how many letters are in the word television. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 letters in this word. Let us count the letters in the word tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters in the word tomorrow. Let us read these words again. Tailor, today, time, tea, television, and tomorrow. Let us say these words that has the T sound at the end. Ant, jacket, carrot, parrot, cat, bat, and rat. Okay, children, I would like for you to listen to this story. The title of the story is The 10 Turtles. There were 10 tiny turtles who lived in their shells. They carried their houses wherever they went. The tiny turtles liked to swim in the lake and to climb on the rocks. The 10 turtles were roaming slowly, so they took a long time to get anywhere. One day, while they were walking, the tiger came around. The turtles hid quickly behind the tree, so the tigers couldn't find them. The title of this song is Do You Know the Turnip Man? Do you know the turnip man, the turnip man, the turnip man? Do you know the turnip man who likes to sing with me? Oh, he loves the letter T, the letter T, the letter T. Oh, he loves the letter T and likes to sing with me. Our activity is to circle the words that begin with the T sound. First, let us read all the words. Boat, coat, tin, tam, goat, bat, pot, table, toy. Now, the words that begin with the T sound are tin, tam, table, toy. Those are the words that we have circled. Now, as we look at this board, we are doing the activity. We are underlining the words that end with the T sound. Let us read all the words and see which of the words end with the T sound. Boat, coat, tin, tam, goat, bat, pot, table, and toy. Now, the words that end with the T sound are boat, coat, goat, bat, and pot. Please join me in reading all of these sentences. Let's go. They had dinner at the table. That building is so tall. She is our third grade teacher. The bat hung upside down in the tree. They went out on the boat for a day of fishing. The cat was going to sneak away. The coat is for sale. If you look closely, there are some words in red, and there are also some words in blue. The words in red are the words that begin with the T sound. Let us say them together. Table, tall, teacher. The words that are in blue are the words that end with the T sound. Let us say them. Bat, boat, cat, and coat.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,